Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me start by sharing something personal. A couple of years ago, I was struggling to figure out how to turn my passion for creating videos into a steady income. I spent hours researching, testing strategies, and learning from trial and error. If only I had something like the PLR, how to launch your profitable YouTube channel, back then, my journey would have been so much easier. Today, I'm here to share my review of this incredible package. And trust me, if you've ever thought about monetizing YouTube, you're going to want to stick around. So, what exactly is this PLR package? First off, PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which means you're not just buying a product, you're buying a business opportunity. This package is a fully done-for-you training program that you can rebrand, resell, and keep 100% of the profits. That's right, you get to claim it as your own. And it comes packed with everything you need to help others, or yourself, build a profitable YouTube channel from scratch. Let me break down what's inside because it's seriously impressive. The core of the package is a detailed step-by-step report on how to create and grow a money-making YouTube channel. It doesn't matter if you're a total beginner or someone who's already uploading videos, this guide covers it all. For instance, did you know that something as simple as your channel name can significantly impact your success? The report explains why your default Google name won't cut it, and walks you through choosing a name that aligns with your niche and grabs attention. And it doesn't stop there. You'll also learn how to optimize your channel description to include the right keywords in the right places. This is a small but powerful tweak that can drive tons of free traffic your way. I also loved how the report breaks down the importance of customizing your channel before uploading any videos. Most people skip this step, but it can make a world of difference in how your channel performs. Now, let's talk about the monetization strategies it covers. You're not limited to just one way of making money on YouTube. The guide outlines 7 different income streams, from ad revenue and affiliate marketing to creating sponsored content, and even getting paid for product reviews. It's like having a roadmap to multiple streams of income. And here's the thing, it doesn't overwhelm you with fluff. Each strategy is laid out in a practical, actionable way, so you know exactly what to do next. Another thing I want to highlight is the focus on video production. You don't need expensive cameras or fancy equipment to get started. The guide even shares tools and software that let you create videos without a camera or microphone. But if you do want to invest in gear, it has solid recommendations for budget-friendly microphones that can elevate your audio quality. This is a crucial tip because even if your video looks amazing, poor audio can drive viewers away. What sets this package apart is its attention to detail. For example, there's a section on how professional videographers and photographers use a simple rule to make their visuals more engaging. I tried applying this technique to some of my videos, and the results were noticeable. These little hacks, sprinkled throughout the guide, are what make it so valuable. But the package doesn't just stop at teaching you how to build and grow a YouTube channel. It also equips you with marketing materials to help you sell this knowledge as your own. You get professional e-cover graphics, ready-to-use sales pages, lead capture pages, and even an affiliate center page. These aren't just thrown together, they're mobile responsive and designed to convert. Plus, the package includes a 4-day email series and promotional banners, so you can start marketing immediately. What really impressed me was the inclusion of tools to keep your audience engaged. You get a checklist and an action guide that make it easier for people to follow through on the steps they've learned. This adds so much value to the overall package, making it something people will not only buy but also recommend to others. Now, I know some of you might be wondering about the price. Here's the kicker. It's incredibly affordable for what you're getting. If you sell just a few copies, you've already recouped your investment, and everything else is pure profit. And if you're thinking of using the content yourself, the insights you gain will pay for themselves many times over. So, whether you're looking to kickstart your own YouTube journey or want to rebrand and sell this as your product, This PLR package is a no-brainer. It's perfect for anyone who wants to tap into the massive earning potential of YouTube without spending years figuring it out on their own. That's all from me today. If this sounds like something you're interested in, don't wait too long. Deals like this don't stay around forever. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll catch you in the next video.